Let's open up our web browser and navigate to CatsEyeXI.com. Click the download link and download the launcher installer. Alright, once it's downloaded, feel free to close your web browser. Next thing we're going to want to do is open up our Discovery app to download a utility called ProtonUp-Qt. I'm just going to search for it in the search bar. In my case, I already have it installed. But once that's installed, we can go ahead and close this out and launch the tool. Just click on the start button and type the word Proton. It should be the first thing that comes up. In my case, I already have the Proton 7-43 installed, but in your case, you're going to click Add Version. You're going to find it in the drop-down list, 7-43. Click on Install. And once it's installed, click Close and make sure you restart Steam or it will not take effect. So within Steam, I'm going to click on Add Game and add a non-Steam game. I'm going to navigate to where I downloaded the installer. That should be right in my downloads folder. Click Add Selected Programs. And I should see it in the list now on the left. If I scroll up, there it is. I'm going to select it. Click the settings icon on the right. Go down to Properties. Click the Compatibility tab and enable the Compatibility tool. And Proton 7-43 should be enabled. If it's not, just select it. Go ahead and click Play and the installer should launch. Go ahead and click Next on everything. Alright, once this is done, I'm going to open up a terminal app. Just type console in the search bar. And we need to find our prefix. So we're going to type this command. And that will show us where the prefix we just created exists. Notice that prefix number. Copy that path and type the command cd space and then paste the path. Press enter. And you can see that the files are listed in the directory. We're going to go back into Steam and update our entry to point to the launcher application now. I'm just going to update the shortcut name. Click on Browse. And now I'm going to start drilling down to the path where the prefix exists. Double check my path here. Okay, 297000 is what it starts with. There it is. CatsEye folder, and there's the launcher executable. I'll select that, close this out, and run the launcher again. Now there's going to be some graphical glitches here. Some of the windows may not appear properly. I happen to know where the buttons are exactly, so kind of pay attention to where I click and just guess where those buttons are. So I know where the button is here. I'm going to click on No for the new user guide, and I'm going to click OK. And after a moment, the launcher should appear, and it's going to automatically start downloading the game files. This is going to take a really long time, so go find something to do for a while. We should be able to click connect now. And we're in game. If you have any issues with this process, feel free to jump in Discord and installation help channel and tag Carver. I'll do what I can to help you. Thanks.